Greetings, Honors Chem students. Mr. Keister here with you again today. This is the video for Wednesday, December 9th, 2020, which is our scheduled, let me check. 76th day of school for the fall semester. Always keep in mind, though, the dates could change for a variety of reasons, but the lessons and the order that those lessons are presented will remain the same regardless. So let's take a look at our do nows and see what the schedule is for today. Excuse me. Today you're going to be picking up Unit 5-2 notes packet 101 and our first assignment over monatomic ions and binary ionic compounds, which is page 102. Also, today you're picking up the last of the three big review packets for the fall semester. This is a review over Units 4 and Unit 5. Okay. Keep that separate. That will be placed after Exam 5-2. That is, if we have Exam 5-2. If we don't, it'll be placed after the review. So, from yesterday, there was nothing because we had an exam over 5-1. Hope you did well on that. A lot of drawing on that one, right? A lot of drawing with your Vesper and all that good stuff. I don't have those graded yet. That one takes a while to grade. Plus, I got a few people that haven't taken it yet. So you'll likely get them back on Friday or Monday, one or the other. So today we're going to begin Unit 5-2, which is about chemical nomenclature, which is the naming and formula writing of both ions and compounds. So today we're going to start with monatomic ions. So those are single atom ions, of course, atoms that either gain or lose a given number of electrons and form either a positively charged cation or a negatively charged anion. And those are monatomic ions. And then binary ionic compounds, which are the compounds formed from those ions. You'll have an assignment over this. It's due tomorrow. Then, starting tomorrow, you'll see why having the polyatomic ions memorized becomes necessary. So I had you learn those last week when we were actually in Unit 5-1, and I had you do that in preparation for this unit right here, and in particular, starting tomorrow. So hopefully you remember all those polyatomic ions. If you don't, I would strongly encourage you to review over those this evening, because you're most definitely going to need to know them tomorrow. And of course, as I've said multiple times, not only will you need to know them now, but you're going to need to know them for virtually every unit that's forthcoming from here on out. There's also going to be one more mastering chemistry assignment over nomenclature, of course. I'm going to be assigning that tomorrow. So let's talk about that last review. So the fall semester review 3, which is Unit 4 and Unit 5, is the third review for the fall semester final exam, which, boy, is coming up soon now. You are to work on that on your own time, just like the other ones. It's due this coming Monday, all right? This coming Monday, the 14th, before you leave class. There will be no answer key posted, just like the other two. So I suggest, again, you communicate with friends and classmates as you work on it. Like always, it will be worth a lot of points, so it can be a real grade changer, all right? As I said, we're winding down quickly the end of the fall semester, and in fact, finals week is coming up next week. So that is the end of this introductory video, as we've been doing for quite some time now. I'm going to have you move along to the actual lesson video, which of course was previously done in Chem 2. And so as I checked that a little bit ago, you can move forward on that the first 2 minutes and 20 seconds. All right, so skip ahead the first 2:20 and you should be right where the lesson begins. Of course, any reference made to Chem 2 or Chem 1 or, their unit numbers or page numbers, that, of course, does not apply to you, but the lesson itself is exactly the same. Should know the drill for that by now. So, until next time, this is Mr. Keister signing off. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Keep working hard. Stay focused. We're on the home stretch now, folks. Stay with it. Stick with me. And go ahead and get to that main lesson video. So, till then, see you next time, guys.